Hey everyone, this weekend my friends were visiting and I was so perplexed what to prepare for them. I quickly ordered some Kashmiri dum aloo and Kaju Pulao from Quikish. Trust me, they tasted amazing and everyone enjoyed it. Check out their amazing range of products on their website and get some good products at the rate of 125 only. And I'm sure you won't regret these products because they are just so amazing. The best part is they're healthy and made without any preservatives.